Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would just share with you what I got in my IPSY GLAM bag. As I ask, kind of what videos you want to see and stuff like that, I did have someone say that they really like unboxing and like opening videos and stuff like that, like unboxing, those kinds of things. So I have a monthly subscription to IPSY GLAM bag. If you don't know what IPSY is, I will leave a link in the description below. It's basically just a monthly subscription. You get to kind of customize it a little bit. Whenever you go to sign up, it will give you options like to tell you what you like if you like edgy styles, if you like bright colors, what your skin tone is, and everything in between. So you kind of get to customize a little bit if you're more interested in makeup or skincare or whatever. And then they try to customize the bag as much as possible to you. And you usually get around 5 products in the bag. Some of them are full size, some of them are samples, and then some of them are like deluxe samples. So yeah, if you want to see what I got in my glam bag this month, then just keep on watching. By the way, I didn't put any makeup on to start off this video in hopes that I would actually have some products in here that I can kind of throw on and try on in this video. So that's why I am not wearing any makeup. Alright, here it goes. I love IPSY so much. I've had a subscription to them for years, for 4 years I've been subscribed to them. I definitely have had glam bags that aren't as great as other ones, but then I've had some bomb glam bags, I mean, none of them are ever gonna be like always exactly what you want them to be or always amazing because it's randomized. But yeah, I enjoy my glam bags a lot. So here's the bag that it came in. Honestly, not really my style. Like, this is not this style is, you would never see me carrying this pouch around. It's just not my thing. But I'm sure it is for a lot of other people. Still cute. So the IPSY glam bags always come with like little cards like these, kind of saying like what the glam bag is about and stuff like that, kind of like moods and themes. And this one says game face. It says, fact, you've got this. Whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or a consistent skincare routine, everything you need to crush your 2018 goals is already within you. But since we could all use a little extra motivation sometimes, your January glam bag, 5 personalized pics, and the articles on IPSY.com were designed to keep you game faced and ready for anything all month long. We even teamed up with Candace Huffine of Day/1 and an empowering activewear line to express that everybody and everybody can slay every day. What will you conquer? Fill in the blank on the flip side of this card, post it on social media, and tag #IPSY and IPSY Game Face. Make sure to cheer on other IPSers too. Let's reach our goal together. So it says all that there, and then on the back it says I will conquer, and you get to kind of fill in blank. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of like motivational. I like it. It's cute. That's one of the things that I really like about IPSY, is that they're always doing like really cute things like this. I'm just like, oh, that warmed my heart a little bit. So I guess that's why the bag is like this, because of Candace Huffine. I don't know who that is, but apparently she has an activewear line, so this is kind of inspired by the activewear line. So that makes a lot more sense. Ooh, okay, the first thing in here is the Body Butter Glow for a Cause in the shade Dream, or the scent Dream. I'm gonna smell it. Honestly, kind of smells like lotion that you would find in a hotel. Like, it just has like that super basic lotion scent. But yeah, it's just a white cream. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands. I did just put lotion on my hands, but Lord knows it's winter and I could always use more. Oh, whenever you rub it in more, it's a lot more fragrant. What does it smell like? It smells like something my mom would put on. Brings me back to my childhood, but I can't explain the scent. But it smells good. Alright, the next thing, oh no, that's not what I thought it was. I got a Pure Lease Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask plus exfoliant. Gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens, tightens, and smooth. A 10-minute facial, all skin types. Cool. Girl, I am always down for more masks because I love the radiance and the softness and everything that masks give me. So I'm pretty pretty excited to try that actually. Alright, the next guy in here is from, ooh, For Less Cosmetics, Loose Eyeshadow Pigment. I don't have any For Less Cosmetics, but I've heard of it, so I'm pretty excited about this. I got the shade Sneaky, I think. It has not one, but two cruelty-free symbols. Does that mean you're like extra cruelty-free? Like, we don't just not test on animals. We pet them too. We feed them as well. They just have a room of animals, not just for not testing, but to take care of. That'd be kind of cute actually. Yeah, this is in the shade, it doesn't say on here, Sneaky. Oh, it does say Sneaky right there. So it's kind of like this. I really like their symbol. Their symbol's really cool. It's definitely a loose pigment, but it looks really pretty. Oh, this is perfect. I was planning on doing a purple smoky eye today. IPSY, you know. You just know, don't you? I can't tell you how many times I've gotten my IPSY Glam bag and I've been like, oh my gosh, I've been planning on doing this look and this is perfect for the look that I've been planning on doing. So it's just a loose pigment like this. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes more sense. So there's a sifter in here and you can pull the thing off. But how? Okay, I got it. Now, I don't know if this is the full size of their pigment, but this is a pretty good size. It's a little bit hard to close. Really? Can't get it back open. Really? It's like so awkward. Oh my gosh, really? Well, maybe I'm not using this today. Literally, Delina, are you serious? Oh my gosh. How did I do this? How did I do this to myself? Ow, frick. I cannot get it back open. I was gonna try to show you guys the color, but might have to bring in the husband for that one. Anyways, let's move on. So I got a Shearit London Fierce Flicks. Ooh, so I'm guessing this is just a liquid eyeliner. Let's open it and see. How do I open it? It doesn't have a little peel thing. Are they just trying to make my life hard right now? It's really nice and black. And like, even though the tip is thick, it's like really flimsy, so it like bends really easily. It's really nice. Definitely not something that you could get a super thin line with it. Like, that's about as thin as it gets. Yeah. But it feels pretty good. Like, I'll actually probably end up using that today. And then lastly, this looks like perfume. Oh no, it's a liquid lipstick. Yay! I need more liquid lipsticks. So this is by Ola Neon. It says Velvet Liquid Lipstick, matte, long-lasting, and moisturizing. Sounds like the impossible. So it's free of parabens, gluten, and phthalates. Never tested on animals. Oh, this packaging is gorgeous. Look at that. I already got fingerprints on it, but the gold, it just feels so like elegant, like designer packaging. Like, this is like YSL kind of. I'm just gonna swatch it. This might go nicely with the look that I have planned today. It feels really nice. It definitely feels very velvety. There is the color that I got. That's what it looks like. DF. Is it DF, the color? That's what it says on the bottom. Aww, on the little lid here it says made with love. And it has a little heart. And then on the inside it says, hola babe. How cute. I love cute packaging. It has little eyes on the side. It's so cute. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna keep that box because it's so cute. Or at least I'll keep it for now. I always tell myself I'm gonna keep the box and then I end up throwing it away like 2 weeks later. All right, well, I'm pretty dang excited about this. I do need to film a tutorial, so I'm gonna try to use this loose eye pigment because I was planning on doing a purple smoky eye because I had a request for that as well. If I can get this back open though. I mean, seriously. Anyways, that's it for the bag. Oh yeah, the bag is lined with like green on the inside, so definitely gives you those athletic wear vibes, so they achieved their goal there. Yeah, so here is everything that I got. 5 products. Loose eye pigment, a body butter, a face mask, a liquid eyeliner, and a full-size liquid lipstick. Full-size liquid eyeliner and a full-size liquid lipstick. And I'm pretty sure this is a full-size pigment. I could be wrong about that, but it looks like a full-size pigment. So 3 full sizes and 2 deluxe sample sizes, so that's pretty good. I am pretty darn happy with that. All right. I'm gonna go see if my husband can get this open, and then we will start trying some things on. Well, actually, I'm not gonna try them on camera, but I'm gonna go film a tutorial and I will come back and show you guys. I'm probably gonna end up using all 3 of the makeup products, so I will come back and show you guys what they look like. So I will be back in a minute. Alright guys, so here are all of the products, well, as many as I could put on my face from my glam bag. So I am wearing the lipstick, and I'm wearing the liquid liner from Shearit, and then also the Furless pigment. I don't know where I put all of them, but I'm wearing the Furless pigment just kind of in between the lighter shade and the crease colors here, because it is a shimmery shade, but it's too dark and I didn't want to put it all over my lid. The pigment was a lot more black based than I expected it to. Like, it hardly even pulled violet or purple in any way. Even whenever like it reflected light on my hand, it would pull a little bit more silver than purple, like kind of a very light purple. So I don't know, and then it just felt very black based. I felt like it pulled more like gray charcoaly than purple, but it performed really well. I feel like I didn't have any problem building it or blending it or anything like that. So it's definitely a good pigment. It just wasn't the kind of purple that I expected it, or I guess wanted it to be. So then with the eyeliner, the Shearit London eyeliner, the tip is a little bit, like the felt tip is a little bit thicker than I prefer whenever I'm doing a winged liner, at least on my eyes. I just felt like it was hard to get that really nice, precise, like thin wing, you know what I'm saying? Because I didn't want a super dramatic wing. I wanted a nice thin, and even with my dramatic wings, I like the very end of them to be very thin. So with that, it felt like it was a little bit difficult to achieve that, but I definitely still achieved it. It wasn't impossible. It's just not really what I prefer to work with whenever I'm doing a winged liner. Like, I still 100 times prefer my tattoo liner from Kat Von D over the Shearit London one, but the pigment is great. It's nice and black, and it went on really easily. First applying it, it was a little bit like, it felt like the felt tip had to get going a little bit, but other than that, it was totally fine. And then the liquid lipstick, I feel like I have 2 shades like this already. Both of them from NYX. One is this one, the NYX Liquid Suede Lip Cream in the shade Soft Spoken. And then especially, I feel like it's very similar to the exotic shade from the NYX Lip Lingerie. So with those, I wasn't crazy to have another one of these shades. I'm not mad about it either. I do like these shades. It's just like, this literally looks exactly like my exotic shade. But however, it is very comfortable, and I did pop a little bit of gloss on top of it. I'm wearing the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade VIP, IPSY VIP. I guess this is just a shade that you can get from IPSY. But yeah, I just popped a very small amount of that because I really wanted to wear something glossy today. So yeah, I just threw that on there. But other than that, it did feel like it went on a little bit patchy. Like, I felt like I really had to build it up, especially on my top lip here. I don't know why. But yeah, I don't know if I'll be reaching for that shade again. I might not, considering the pigment. It's just nothing revolutionary. Like, it was okay. It was okay. I don't know if I'll be reaching for it. I might not. We shall see. I feel like I'll be reaching for my exotic lip lingerie from NYX before I reach for this one again. So yeah, there's just a little overview of all the products that I've used so far. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'd like to see more unboxing videos like this, and if you do, let me know what kind of unboxings you want to see and stuff like that. And then yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in Monday's tutorial, which by the way will be this look right here. So if you like it, stay tuned. Okay, I'll see you on Monday. Bye. There's my cat up there. Oh my god. Please, Coconut. Don't.